Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to this video on Oracle Apex, and today we are going to discuss about two pickers, page items, which are date and color. So in this you will get a pop-up and you will be able to select from the pop-up based on your field type. It is date or the color. So we will be discussing their properties and their usage, where and when you want to use or can use it, use both or any of these two. So let's have a demo of these two pickers in Oracle Apex. So there are two pickers, date picker and color picker. So we will be discussing both in this video. First, let us discuss about the date picker. Picker means you will get another screen and you will be uh, choosing an option, right? So in this case, you need to choose date, and in this case, you need to choose color, right? So once you will choose the color, you will find the value. This is hex value, hexa, right? So in the date picker, you are getting this month, then year, and next and previous, and then on the top you have weekdays and then dates. And today means if it is some other selection is there, so it will by default select the current date, right? This one. So this is how the date picker will display. Now let me show you the properties. So this is my date picker. If you see here, date picker, this is number 5 in the list, right? Page items. This is labeled like as it is. Show time, this is the first property. So if you will enable it, and let me show you. Now it will show time as well at the bottom. So like this, and now for 35 done. Sorry, is select something. Now it is still not showing. That means we need to change the format. Okay. Right, 9:30 a.m. Okay, the next property on the format is there. Show time, we have just, let me remove it. Display as pop up. See there are options pop up. Let me tell you what is pop. When you click, it is showing a screen. This is called pop up. Now we will select inline, save, and refresh. So this is inline. It will show, right? It is part of this, like this, right? So this is whole as a date field. Now next to the inline, we have native HTML, like this. This is native HTML, right? Then we have pop-up minimum date. So here you can have item. That means you have another item in which you have the date. So then you can select, give that item, then it will be the that item as a minimum date. So in that item, if it is sys date, so sys date will be the minimum. So before the sys date, you will not be able to select anything. This is static, minimum static. This is minimum static. So let me show you the format of this. These are the formats you can enter here. Okay. This YM, let me take you to this, which I will be giving plus 1D, for example. Plus 1D. D means day. Let's try this. See? So plus means tomorrow. Today is 10th of November. So I can select only 11 onward, tomorrow onward. Now let me change and I will make it 0D plus 0D. This means today onward. You can't go in past, right? So you cannot select any other value. So today, so this is sys day onward. Okay? And same way you can use, let me give you -1. That means maximum you can go up to yesterday, right? Now, before 9, everything is disabled. Everything is disabled, right? You can't go back. Okay, in this, if you see here, you are getting year. You can maybe say -1 year, or you can say -1 month, week, D, or D for day, right? It is up to you now. So let's say, for example, if I will say -1Y is a year, right? So now last 1 year is the maximum time period you can go up to, see, before 2024, no year is there. That's it. Okay, 9th of November onward you can get. Okay, now moving next, this we have covered. Then we have maximum date. Same way, you can go even maximum date as well. So again, it's your requirements. Multiple months. Normally, if when you are doing bookings for flights or hotel bookings, you might get options of 2 months, right? So let's say, for example, you have to select this date to this date, so you get both months, right? Multiple months. uh, Okay, let's say we say 2, right? Save, and show you now it will show 2 months, right? And you can increase, I think, up to 5, if not up to 5. So let me share 4. Okay, October, November, December, and January. Up to January it is showing. Then we have this use defaults. Now let me uncheck this one. So it was using defaults. Now you can see show week. Let me bring this back to no. It will show single. Now we are not using defaults. That means I can say show week. Let me enable it. Month picker, year, pagination by multiple months. Okay, let us enable it. Show today button. You can even disable this today button. It was showing, right? Days outside month visible. selectable, hidden. I will show you what is that. Now at the moment we have month, year, and weeks, weekdays. See this one, these are out of months, right? So in this October 28, 29, 30, this is past month, right? Now this one, this is next month. Let me refresh it. Sorry. Sorry. This is weeks, right? Left side, which we had enabled just a moment earlier. So show today button. If I uncheck this one, it will not show. This is today button, right? So now refresh. There's no today button. Okay. Then we have time increment. You can have in minutes. Time increment means when you are showing time, it is showing. Let me enable that. Uh, show time. Uh, see, this is time, right? Now at the moment, 15 minutes gap is there. It is showing 15 minutes, 30 minutes. Now, if you want to give even, it should be able to select 10, 9, 10. Then it is not there, right, in this. So now I'm going to enable it. It is saying minutes in time increments by 10 minutes. Okay, let's try now. Right, this is now 10 minutes. If I have to give all minutes, I will be giving it 1 minute. Now, again, it's up to you the way you want. Right? Show on item focus. I can click on focus. It is not showing. I don't know why it is saying item focus. See here. This is might be another. I should call it bug or what? Icon click. Now I have clicked icon click, right? So I will focus. Nothing appeared. This is my icon. Okay. Now if I click here, it is not showing, right? But on icon it is showing. Now let me remove this and item focus. What is the change? Right? Okay, on focus it is not showing, but when I'm clicking it is showing, right? So now, uh, so on focus it is when you will click here or on this icon it will show. So it's not focus, it is again still click. So Oracle team, please check this option. Let me see what their help is saying. When the item receives focus or when the calendar icon is clicked, okay, only when the calendar icon is clicked. Focus. Okay, you know what this focus means? This is not that focus normally we are having in Oracle forms. It is, let me tell you. Okay, if I will do tab, see, this is called focus for them. So ideally, I don't know. It's just anyway. For me, focus was this, right? When you are, so maybe it is called mouse enter and focus. I'm a bit lost on this. Anyway, layout. Okay, fair enough. These are there. These options. I don't want to take your time. These are already discussed in our another video page. That is text item, right? Okay, moving next to the color. color, why you need it. Maybe you want the user to select a color. Maybe you have some settings in which you want to show some color or something else, right? Or you want to ask them, or maybe you have some parameters whatsoever where you need to select, user need to enter or select color. So there can be two options: manually enter, or you can select from a color palette. Okay, so you will enter the same item and then you will select color picker. Color picker is third in this option, color picker, right? Color, use defaults. At the moment, I'm with use defaults. I'm not changing anything here. Nothing else to be changed, right? Same and run. Okay, this is my color field, and now I'm selecting any color from here. Let's say red. And if you see here, this value is there now in hex format, HEX, right? Okay, and it is showing down here. You can copy from here, right? See, now it moved to RGB. So it's this hex is R is 248, green is 7, blue is 7. So if you will mix these colors in this ratio, you will get this color. See how Allah made things. This is nature, right? See, end of the day, all these color combinations are due to this RGB values, right? See, RGB values changing. See, HSL. There are different formats to represent the color. So hex, normally it is used in your CSS as well. So let's try the same one. Now, if I want not to be used defaults, save. Now it has display as pop-up, inline, color only pop-up, native color picker. Now let us try inline. Right, at the moment it is like this, right? Now I'm refreshing it. See, the way date was showing in line, the full date calendar, and same way here it is showing as a full, right? See, so end of the day, this field will have this value, right? Next is inline, then we have color only pop up. So maybe now it will not show the palette. Okay, let me remove this. Okay, yeah, fair enough. Now it is like this. Now it is not showing this hex value over there, showing color only. Right? And click, it will open. Native color picker. Now let's try the native one. See? But end of the day, it's a sorry, color selection. Mod full simple. Let us try simple and with pop-up. Simple pop-up. Right? Oh, it is simple. Now less options are there. Okay. And full, then you have color reset. Right? If you have specific colors, you want to go with those. Contrast with page item, static color, return value as hex. So here you can even select which value you want to return as a hex or RGB, HSL, RGBA, HSL, any CSS value. No, it is again your requirement. And rest, the same properties as we have already discussed. Right. I think both the pickers we have covered today, date and color picker. So just practice because practice makes man perfect. Until you will not practice, you will not find challenges, you will not find the real usage of any feature, right? I can give you information. I can give you information, but knowledge will come when you will practice it, because experience will give you knowledge, right? Videos or lectures will give you information only. So gain the knowledge, please. Thank you very much, and Allah Hafiz.